Hello folks, I've found this wee guy sitting at the side of the road and I'm wondering if he is somebody's. He was found in the Reading area. Edward the Seagull. Say hello Edward. Do you recognise him? Does he belong to anybody? No. Good looking wee guy, pretty tame. Sitting with a broken wing. Let me pick him up, no bother. He likes a wee drive. Take him back to the flat, see what's wrong with him, patch him up. If he's anybody's, give me a shout. Okie doke. Say bye Edward. No. Eddie the Seagull. Eddie. Eddie the Seagull. You hungry, pal? Eddie, take the sardines. Full of omega-3. Eddie's plumping up pretty well. He's loving the seafood diet, better than his usual diet. Chips, bits of pizza, sweeties, crisps. He also likes to be spoon-fed. So, the update on Eddie the Seagull is he was stunned the other night there. He's got a wee bit wing damage to his feathers at the back, but we're going to be sound. And we're maybe going to try a relaunch, check out his aviation gear over the weekend. Alrighty. Eddie. Say cheerio. Good boy. We update on Eddie the Seagull. There's Eddie. Right behind me there. Sitting. I think he's got a couple of phantom eggs there. Sitting keeping them warm. He's took residence in my spare room. It's a bit of a mess. I've just had the central heating fitted, so everything's out of the place. But Eddie's sound. Eddie, say hello. Look at yourself on the camera, Eddie. So, there you have it. Me and Eddie's sound. Friday night, just chilling at home. Already been watching Netflix. Came back out of the room to play about, and we're going to watch some more films later on. You up for that, Eddie? Yep. Eddie's up for it. Loving him, pal. Netflix. On then. Afternoon, folks. Saturday afternoon, and there's an update with Eddie. With Eddie's sound, we had a good night last night. A few films off Netflix. Watched a bit of the Olympics, just chilled out, really. So, this is a day, we're in the bath. Eddie, how's it going, mate? Enjoying the bath? Yeah. Sound. Eddie, say hello to everybody. Eddie, do you want bubbles? No? Need bubbles, son? You can hurry up, pal. I need a shower. Okay. Say cheerio. Eddie. Alright, pal. Wait, Eddie. Say see you later. Eddie's sound. Eddie. What are we drinking, mate? Eddie, what a drink, pal? Afternoon, folks. It's Sunday afternoon. Me and Eddie had a very late Saturday night. We were up watching the Olympics, watching Mo Farah do a double gold. Eddie was in a flap about this. Turns out Put Eddie right in the middle of corn sausage. So, and then he started going on about his love for scrambled egg, and I thought that was kind of sick because eggs come from chickens, and I thought it was kind of cannibalistic. But Eddie says no, he thinks chickens are a pointless bird because they can't flee. Funny coming from him, I thought, eh? So there you go. There's Eddie eating his scrambled egg. His wee toast soldiers. Is that good, Eddie? Eddie's shy about eating in front of folk, eh, pal? Loves that gourmet salmon. Wolf to Odin. Right, Eddie, buddy. Get that, didn't you, wee man? Eddie, there's your coffee, son. Wee coffee for Eddie, boy. Well, that's us. Sunday afternoon. We're thinking about a flight launch tomorrow. Hey mate, you're up for that? Off the camera, shy. You right, pal? No. Make the cameras off there now. Over now. Eddie, eating your scrambled egg and toast. Huh? Eddie, your coffee's getting cold. Oh, he's a good boy. Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Alright, Eddie. Eddie. Are we drinking water, pal? Not enough? Eddie. Your coffee's cold, mate. Eddie. Alright, mate. Want some chips, Eddie? Like that, Eddie. There's a curry sauce dip there too, mate. Eddie. Eddie. How did you get up there, mate? Did you climb? Or did you fly? Eddie. Buddy, that's top shelf stuff. I think it's time, mate. Eh? Is it time to go? You going to fly home, son? You fancy some tuna mayonnaise first? Eddie, you going home? Well, that's me and Eddie. Eddie's just having some tuna mayonnaise for his lunch. This is a pre-flight meal. We're going to head out shortly, and Eddie's going to fly home. Hey mate. Hey bud, you going home with you? Good boy. Mate, okay, see you soon. Alright, Eddie. Eddie. Here, mate. I've got you a wee going away gift. Here, mate. Gives you wings. No need it, no? Good boy. Good afternoon, it's Monday, and me and Ed are here for his lunch off. Ed feels it's time to go home to his family, and he's scrounged off me enough and caused me enough mess. Hey buddy. So, we've arrived at where it all began for Ed, Pullman ski slope. Ed wants to soar through there, so anyway, I'm getting a bit emotional now. So is Ed. So, Eddie, wee pal. You ready to go home, mate? You ready to go home, buddy? You take it easy, okay? It's been a pleasure, wee man. Go on, Ed. You can do it, wee buddy. Listen, wee man, you take care. You go and get your family and your pals. It's been a pleasure. You're free, mate. You can visit me anytime, pal. Go on, buddy. What a boy. Eddie. Eddie. Phone me sometime, mate. Drop me a text. Doesn't matter what time in the morning it is. I'll answer you. You're one sound bird. Go on, son. Oh, he's Oski. Eddie. Soaring, man. Eddie! Oh, he's got another seagull already. He's found his bird. He's forgot about me already. He's got a new chick. I'm well chuffed.